Hello Steppers! Today we'll be going over Shoreline. This will be one of the most frequently used websites during your undergrad. Here you will be able to register for campus events, host events, and stay up to date on any group or organization you may join. During STEP, you will need to log into Shoreline to register for our live events, look out for any updates about the program, and communicate with the STEP team. Here you will enter your UCSB NetID and password. Your NetID will be the same as your UCSB email, just without the @ucsb.edu portion. So now I'm going to click on the button to sign in. At first glance, you will see the homepage with campus announcements. Feel free to explore on your own, but today we'll be looking at some key features. Here on the left-hand side, you'll see some useful tools such as feed, directory, my groups, and events. The tool we will be focusing on today is the My Groups tab. Once you click the My Groups tab and scroll past the registration buttons, below you will find all the groups that you are already registered for. As well, you can search up groups that you want to join the group pages through this feature too. So this is a button that you will use to search up groups. And then here are the groups that I'm registered for. Today we will be clicking on the STEP group page, which is labeled as the EOP Summer Transitional Enrichment Program. So right here, we're just going to click on it. On this page, you'll see any important reminders, information, and events we will be having. This is helpful to use so you don't miss out on any program changes or events that will be taking place. After you scroll down our feed for a bit, on the right-hand side, you will see some upcoming events for the group specifically. Here, I will teach you how to register for an event. First, you will click on the event you would like to sign up for, and it will take you to the events homepage. Here you can see the event flyer, the cost, the date, and the time. After looking over all the event details, you should scroll down till you find a green button that says register. We are going to click that button to start the registration process. It's crucial that you complete this step, as you won't have access to Zoom links for events until you are fully registered. Once you click the register button, you may automatically register, or it will require you to enter some basic information depending on what the event host requests. You will know that your registration has been complete once a green check mark appears on the screen saying you're registered. You'll receive a confirmation email with the event details and the link to the event. To access the link and the event info, you can access them from the confirmation email, or you can go to your calendar to see the event. Now we will be going back to the Shoreline main page to show you the Shoreline calendar. On the top left, you will find a calendar icon that says events, and click on it. Below, you will see all the events organizations and departments across campus are hosting. Currently, we have almost 300 events. While it is good to explore all the events UCSB has to offer, I will be showing you how to use the main calendar to find events specifically to a certain group. On the far left, there is a search button, and you can find most events for our program by searching up STEP. And here you'll see our events, our workshops that we'll be having. You can also find events by clicking the group tab and scrolling down till you find the EOP Summer Transitional Program and click the box. Here are the same events that we saw earlier today. Now that you click the box, you can see here that the calendar has filtered the events page out, so you will only see events hosted by this group. Lastly, you can double check to see which events you are registered for by selecting the My Events tab on the main toolbar I mentioned earlier. So you go here and you click My Events, and then here's the event that we registered for earlier. I hope you found this brief tutorial helpful as you begin navigating Shoreline for STEP and any other organizations you may become a part of. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to any STEP staff member. Thank you.